Let's be honest, social media isn't just something we use. It's where we build our image, connect with people, and sometimes even figure out who we are. But in a world full of filters, trends, and highlight reels, it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's just for show. We are constantly scrolling through perfect posts, comparing ourselves, and wondering if we are enough. What used to be a space for self-expression now feels like a space for self-performance. And without even noticing, we start shaping our identity based on what gets the most attention. This isn't just about social media. It's about how it's changing the way we see ourselves. So before we dive deeper, let's talk about what's really going on.
Ay, ganda! Pero wait lang, ikaw ba talaga yan? Or si Instagram version mo lang yan? Ngayon, hindi na lang basta gamit ang social media. Parang lahat tayo naging artista sa sarili nating digital pelikula.
Kumbaga, naka-main character energy feels. Pero sa totoong buhay, di mo talaga alam kung sino ka talaga.
Online, pwedeng piliin kung anong parte ng sarili ang ipapakita. Pero sa dami ng versions natin, sino nga ba talaga ang tunay?
Na-delete ko yung post ko kasi wala pang 10 likes. Grabe, validation is real.
Girl, totoo. Ako meron din akong social media self, school self, at bahay self. Pero yung ako nawawala rin minsan.
Lahat tayo, damang-dama to. Lalo na ang Gen Z at mga estudyante. Parang kailangan mo mag-perform palagi para matanggap ka.
Sabi ni Erik Erikson, sa adolescence and young adulthood daw, hinahanap natin ang identity natin. Pero ngayon, hinahanap na natin kung anong content ang papatok.
Gina G's aesthetic life online, pero in real life, burnout, insecurity, at identity.
Minsan, mapapaisip ka na lang, bakit parang kailangan ko laging magpakita ng perfect na version ng sarili ko online? Kahit pagod na, smile pa rin sa story. Kahit may problema, post pa rin ng coffee moments. Cause let's be honest, parang naging recruitment na yung pagiging okay sa feed. Pero deep inside, hindi na natin alam kung sino talaga tayo. Nasaan na yung totoong ako? Yung hindi naka-filter, hindi naka-curate, hindi for content. Social media should help us express ourselves. Pero minsan, feeling mo nakulong ka sa image na ikaw mismo ang gumawa. Hindi masama mag-post, pero deserve mo rin maging totoo kahit walang audience. So, if no one was watching, would you still be you?
Crisis.
Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan i-post. Some moments, mas masarap i-keep for yourself.
Ngayon, pag nagpo-post ako, I ask myself, is this for me or para lang magpapansin?
Ang tunay na self-worth ay hindi nasusukat sa views or heart reacts. Minsan, ang pinaka-authentic version mo, yun pa yung hindi mo pinupost. Tama yan. Hindi masama ang social media, basta hindi mo makakalimutan kung sino ka talaga beyond the screen.
Post kung gusto mo. Wag lang para ma-please sila.
Be real.
Be kind.
Be you.
Dahil sa huli, mas mahalaga pa rin ang self-connection kaysa internet connection.
Bye!